You know, there's very little we do as a law firm that is more important, I think, than protecting our clients' wealth and the wealth transfer from one generation to another. All the attorneys we have here at the Strong Firm are very well versed in the activities and the actions and the documents you need in place in order to make that happen. And then if there ever is the eventuality that you have to go to court, you have to go to a probate court and have a discussion or fight or transfer those documents at a probate court, we have the skills that we need to have to sit before a judge and have those hearings and handle those discussions. So Wendy, when we sit down with a client and we outline to them what they need to have their estate planned, let's talk a little bit about the documents that we need and have in place to properly transfer their estate.
Sure. I think that, in my opinion, I think what a lot of people lose sight of when you do estate planning, most people know about a will or a trust. They know what they do. I feel like some people lose sight of or don't understand documents like powers of attorney, directives, all the extra things that we do to plan for someone before you pass away, and that can still be helpful to you in order to sustain your life, sustain your finances, and help your loved ones make it through some difficult times that don't involve a death.
Royce, we talk a little bit about the probate process, and people hear that word probate, and most people don't understand what that means. But walk us through what is probate and what is that process for us to represent someone in a probate matter?
Well, the good news is that the probate process in Texas is a very applicant-friendly process, usually if you have an uncontested matter. There's a lot of ways that we can work with our clients to get them through the process quickly and with a minimum of hassle. Obviously, if there's a contested matter, it's going to extend out and be considerably more involved. But usually you can get through the probate process in a much shorter period of time as long as everybody's in agreement as to the distribution of the estate.
Renee, I know one of the things that you help at the firm with is coordinating the process for bringing someone in and getting their will and the various other documents in place. Talk a little bit about how we handle the interaction with the client in a will estate planning engagement.
Well, I love what I do. Initially, we'll get a call from someone needing to update or prepare their estate planning documents, and we take the initial call. The initial call will come in, and we will, at that point, we'll find out from folks what exactly they're looking for and what their needs are. Once we determine that, we send them a will questionnaire, which they fill out, and then we bring them in for an appointment with one of our estate planning attorneys. Once they come in, they meet with the attorney, and the attorney will go over the various different types of packages that we offer for the estate planning stuff. And what we work on a flat fee basis so that the client is charged once. And we like seeing that because it gives them the opportunity to really understand and know what all their documents are. They can call us, they can email us, and it's a one-time flat fee for that service. The documents that we provide is a very complete estate planning package. It is a will, powers of attorney for financial and medical affairs, a healthcare directive, a declaration of guardianship in advance of need, a declaration of guardianship for your minor children, a HIPAA release. So once you leave the Strong Firm, you will definitely have a complete package of all your estate planning needs. You will walk out of the firm knowing that you as well as your family and your children are taken care of.